Good morning. This is my personal review on the Romoss Sense 8 30,000 milliamp hour power bank. This is the second kayak camping trip. We're currently camping. We've been here for 3 days. This is my second camping trip with this power bank. It's the Romoss Sense 8. It's a 30,000 milliamp hour LiPo battery power bank. It has 5 volts at 2.1 amp lightning port and a 5 volt 2.1 amp micro USB. It has 5 volts at 1 amp and 5 volts at 2.1 amp output, 1 lightning port, 1 micro USB port and 1 USB-C port. It's packed full of safety. It has a 10-layer smart protection design, overcharge or over discharge, overcurrent, power surge, temperature, short circuit and recovery, and anti-reverse reset safety features. It takes quite a while to charge it. It takes, well, from flat 16 to 18 hours, but I've never gone down past 2 bars in the 2 camping trips I've done with it. And it's charged my GoPro, charges my little camping light, can charge my drone battery, which is under there. Oh, what else do I use to charge? I'm gonna charge my GoPro batteries. Charge my GoPro batteries. It doesn't come with a cord, but I found a buyer that did supply a Romoss charging cord, a high-speed cable. It has a lightning port, micro USB and USB-C connectors on it, and I can charge up to 4 things at once, and I have done it. I've put my GoPro in the while I'm filming with one, I'll charge up the other. So you can see that one's already charged. And I've been here for 3 days and we've dropped down 1 bar. I think that's absolutely amazing. And I've charged my GoPro, my iPhone Max XS, and my Bluetooth speaker with it, and we've only lost 1 cell. I've charged my phone 3 or 4 times, charged my GoPros 2 or 3 times, haven't had to charge any of my drone batteries because I've only used 1, I think. I still have 1.5 batteries left. But the Romoss Sense 830, for the cost, it's brilliant. It doesn't come with a box, but I did find a box at home. This is some sort of LED torch box that came in it, and the Sense 8 fits in there perfectly. It's cushioned, doesn't get banged around. But being white, it's going to be subject to getting quite dirty. So I just close the box up, get this tether out of the way. It always gets in the road. I should take it off. That one's always hard to do. Can't move, won't get banged around. Keeps it clean. Then it goes into one of my waterproof dry bags with all my other electrics. These boxes you can buy on eBay, really cheap. This was for a LED torch my wife bought. I stole it. There it has a little tether, you can hang it up. Yeah, well, that's my personal review. I have no affiliation with Romoss, so good luck.